We've done a lot of improvements. Went from the 1970s era structure with lack of electricity, lack of bathrooms, lack of current mechanical HVAC systems to a modern building. We essentially went through and gutted the entire building and then went and built it back. We reorganized some things, moved the police department from the back of the building up to the front, gave them their own separate entrance to make it easy for residents. We separated the council chambers from the multi-purpose room to allow for more park and rec programming and make that easier and be able to have those events happen at the same time a council meeting's happening. Well, bathrooms is a big thing. We only had 4 toilets for all the staff that worked here as well as our guests. So that was a challenge, and now we have 11 toilets for 6 for the public and 5 for PD and for staff. So that's a huge benefit for everybody. We also have implemented a lot of security measures here to make sure the staff stays safe and the public stays safe. Modern office furniture, modern technology, just to make City Hall more welcoming and accessible. And then we also make sure that our City Council meetings are more accessible as well, having modern technology here so the people in the audience can see what the council's seeing, as well as people from home. Well, I hope that when residents come into City Hall now, that there's a place where they can feel pride.
We have our own separate entrance now. And we used to be kind of tucked in the back of the City Hall. It was hard for residents to know where to go. They were always stopping at the city admin offices to find out where we even were. So the front entrance has just been a huge upgrade for us. It's just been an awesome upgrade for us in that area. Residents know where to go, community members know where to go now. They can't miss it. So that's been a great upgrade for us. We were able to upgrade the size of our squad room. Obviously Spring Lake Park has been added an additional officer this last year. We're full staffed. So having a larger squad room, areas for the officers to work, not running into each other. The old squad room used to be about a little less than half the size of the new one. So there's just that area they can gather, they can do their work, and just a new space for them. So we also were able to upgrade our interview rooms, our DMT room, intoxilizer room, our holding cell, and then we were able to add in locker rooms. In our past police department, we had 1 locker room for male, female. So that was one of our main goals with the upgrades to the PD was to add those 2 locker rooms and enlarging them as well. So that's been a huge deal for us as well in the police department. So we added an exercise room for the officers. Equipment was donated from the fire department. And that has been, we've seen a huge difference with that. We've really worked on our officer wellness over the last 5-10 years, and that just adds another step for that officer wellness for them. One other large part is the garage. Our old garage was smaller. Now our current garage is quite a bit larger. It holds our new evidence room. It holds our storage room and our gun room. But it also allows us to be able to park all of our squad cars inside, which keeps them out of the elements. I think one of the biggest things is recruitment and retention. It's no surprise law enforcement the last few years has had an issue with recruitment and officers coming in. We've already seen a huge difference in that. Just an easier area for people to come in and see where we're at.